Allstream Cloud Compute is essentially a network service. We call it infrastructure as a service. We're taking traditional computing and we're making it available to Canadian business in a way that is network-based, simple from their perspective, and cost-effective. It's a simple business model. It's available to them for a monthly fee. The cost benefits of Allstream Cloud Compute are compelling for Canadian businesses. First and foremost, like any traditional managed service, they take what would otherwise be a very intimidating capital expense and turn it into an operating expense. 40% of most servers are unutilized. They sit idle. And as a result, that investment is stranded. With Allstream Cloud Compute, the idea is that as the requirement increases, you pay for what you use. Allstream, when it comes to the network and when it comes to the computing capability, is the expert. We're offering it as a service to our customers and as a result making their employees, their precious resources more productive as a result. The second benefit for Canadian business to focus on really revolves around the idea that procurement or the time to turn up and deploy server infrastructure, compute infrastructure, can be dramatically decreased. Whereas it took weeks in the traditional world, or it takes weeks in the traditional world, in the future it'll take days, even hours once deployed. The performance benefits of Allstream Cloud Compute are many. First and foremost, that the service is made available through a service provider means that Allstream is going to guarantee the uptime and availability. For our customers, they need to feel comfortable. They need to trust that we have their back, that we don't take the element of control away from them, that they have access to their compute infrastructure through a portal where they can manipulate their server infrastructure in ways that they need to, that they can access their server infrastructure at times that are convenient to them. This isn't really a one-size-fits-all. The idea of cloud is that it is meant to be variable, it is meant to be elastic, and that it will scale to fit the customer's needs. There are various partnerships that underlie Allstream Cloud Compute, in particular a partnership that we have with SunGard, who is our Canadian data center provider. SunGard is in the business of operating and managing very complex data centers that are compliant to various industry standards. And for Allstream, they represent a critical link in providing the Allstream Cloud Compute service.